Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if three distinct numbers are chosen randomly from the first 100 natural number, then the probability that all three numbers are divisible by either 2 or 3. So, look at this how we will approach this idea. So, first we will try to find out the behavior of numbers. So, the first number is 2. Then we have 4, then we have 6, then we have 8 dot dot dot. Last number is 100. Now, so the number of numbers divisible by 2 is the last number divided by first number, that is 50. Okay, now we have to focus on 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, then we have 99. So the number of numbers divisible by 3 is what? Last divided by first. So it is 33. Okay. Now there are certain numbers which we have counted in both 2 and 3. So that we have to understand. Okay. So it is 6, 12, 18, 24 dot dot dot. Now we have to find out a number which is the last number. So 106. So it is 110. We have 40. Okay, so it is 96. Okay, now look at this. My point is, like, how many numbers are, like, we have to go with the same idea that we have understood previously. Okay, number of numbers divisible by 6 is what? So it is 16. Okay, now look at this. Now we will go with the required probability. So we have required probability. Required probability is number of numbers divisible by 2. So 2 is 50. Number of numbers divisible by 3, that is na plus nb minus n of a plus b, hai na, yaad aaya? So that we have to use minus 16 by, so this is the number of numbers, and then we have to select, wait, first we will count number of numbers divisible by 2 or 3. So that is n of 2 plus n of 3 minus n of 6. So n of 2 means what? 50. N of 3 is what? 33. N of 6 is what? 16. So we have, this is 17. So it is 67. Okay. Now the required probability is, out of 67 numbers I have to select 3 different numbers. Okay, so this is favorable outcomes. Now we have 100 numbers, out of which we have to select 3 numbers. So that is total number of outcomes. So here they wrote or, that's why this is the required. Suppose that it is and, then required probability would be what? It would be, out of 16 number you have to select 3. So 16 C3 divided by total number is 100 C3. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix, and please, these crackers are because here we are celebrating Diwali, and like almost every people is engaged into this festival. So don't get irritated, just enjoy. Okay.